and then mama will be the scanner chile as can sana jam quite scanasa.
Asadi hongo.
Isn't copa could be sa. What if you be? So the piano, and I'm so okay. Ever have a baby, no? Try say we give a nice name. Then we are talking about it. A poor man who does sleep on bench is talking about
baby.
They pay a car. Now, send me see it in their money. A money 2 months depressed. Be a of will say or safe hands. That's what I say. And the I don't know. Any quarter la pass 6 to 6. And the la pass 6 to 6 a couple of years. Then before in the time of best one, then we bought all of things. Now I'm so come back to village. Non ko na mama me money.
O ko ma me ho.
Yeah, on corner. Send me bia no. On money re. And we so na me be a young age. Like 23, 24.
Wow.
Yeah. And ya benya 2005 ya benya first baby senior. Ya kind no. Ya benya baby no.
But asanso ayoba.
Ayoba.
Na sinna mu worry.
Yeah. Baby e betra so akoye.
Asem. Na baby asa beka ho.
So na say nti neno edu e bi kro mo gini fi nsem de no dwane ko hye tama ba bi e na be pese me chinchi na me ko ba bi o hye
mampa ba
ada na me pa ba ade a wo pe na wo som nti na me say ade bi e som obu bia no you change it nti me ko pie be ma camp me share camp e ma e hon se me ni soja fo no mo ye dread o nti ko pie o pa in fact e fo ye twama me do wo yade ni mu no
be do
enye easy ni nyina mu na the love is still going on opeme
oda asoma wo
so what I say utomo wadwen nya adwuma so like what chat ya faso so
ai
entino me hu say ma me too special in my life entina me ka say I respect woman, I cherish woman, I adore woman, and I care for woman. Me buma me do ma me respect ma because my one of the priority he has put me where I am today. Okay. And you know, many sources, no, I didn't make it with my own. Say, me, and I may make it scan my baby. No, but say one man me whom me rare sources, no, a queen, and I'm my name, my party. I did be a me piano, me ma or no confirmation or my confirmation, dear me, while my confirmation, okay. In their times, you know, minimum who said, me in a casansa, my baby, no. Me feel say it's part of me. And she
has the right.
Many discussing. Or feel say, yeah, and yai. So what I say? Okay. Into which bear may be one way you're behind your back on. You fall down. Okay. Irrespective of your level, degree of work, you fall down. It is a neck queen AD now that is special to me. I own her a lot. So what I say? I said you could do fear, and then it's like I bet fall on Tuesday, so our things are not put in order well. Until after, and there a couple of channel it's a celebration for my wife. I will need to go out there and have a fun. I think last year, you see, me you be a, I love nice things. Okay. Until a channel like this, you know, said me must say me took a cohan so maybe a panties color we say me fair, maybe a brazier color we me fair, maybe a oh yeah, oh say when you bring Queen on board, who's on camera? If you bring Queen on board, what can you say? This is a man I want. So what I say. Until the name I'm a crontier, obviously I won't do.
That's the way I away for boy, we are away for gay.
Yeah, don't and I, yeah, don't you do ya one, ya may ma cry no motive say, ya pay. So what I say, Mamma may baba who say, me pay. Oh, yellow supple. Yeah. And fine will say it one me kiss me, na me kiss me, na me baba. Oh, daddy. Daddy. Yes, they be happy. So that early in the morning, only the first person about bedroom, but wishing mommy happy birthday. Okay. And I'll catch us that daddy, you need to push mommy. But you didn't know it's him. So that we didn't know it's him. And I was after church, we are going to celebrate it. So what I say. Until once a while they say we coffee area we have a nice place be. Then we go and sit down and celebrate.
Pastor, only my phone number Nintendo.
Phone number.
Yeah. So you now friend me na.
Oh. Let me throw a
Oh. Say ye di queen birthday.
Oh yeah, on no package of the bremu for celebrating of a birthday.
No. Order na ka.
Yeah. And he's going to do that.
Okay.
So
okay.
Because you're special to me.
Na papa me bisa wo apart from na wo kanina no a day important pa and ma Queen University is so special unja ni dimboda.
Mama can one incident be
okay.
Me can one incident.
One pe.
So for pia utie me no. Learn from this.
Okay.
Nyame adwuma ade a ewo mni ahwease enimguase peja.
Okay.
Nenimguase ne do so sim peja. So what I say? I could remember now menya challenges be was sorry. Then we came as something which is people are planning to bring me say bia menu bia koda there's a plan work, you know, and name ya so I couldn't control myself, so I order people to go and beat the people.
Oh,
say yeah me sir. So what I say me ya nanka minya dwin pumfa case no enko police station bele me order zongo boys na mo ko hwe because they need sa ni Sunday on be branche was sorry be the day say me man ko fa be bo mo kura no o mo sika eden e se
okay.
So they took it to police station and my wife stepped in. I said me man ko police station I will step in and solve this issue. So I catch a policeman and my husband will not come because Oba I want to say media for bebum. So what I say obi abepe odi for anyone sem I dey out. But no, I will not allow my husband to speak or to come to the police station. Only my younger sister, my third sister, or Kofodia commercial bank. Yeah, as a bank worker. I will call police station. And your police station, then they did every possible to take the whole thing. So guys, daddy, money is water, money is air. Whatever they want from you, give it to them. So I think we spent about 7 million. That iron sheet packet crown. It was about almost 3 something. It was 3 packets naira. And so 5 million, 7 million. Then we pay the money. And after that, some more when your cat be and then some visa. So we spent about almost 1,300 and something. Then I give it to them. But to me, my step to police station.
And to whom Queen University regrets be on you?
Oh no, I cannot say regret in you. In life, regret saying.
Say ebia.
One for me and answer.
A Jew baby no regret to say.
Say what about my life? No. Me who be glad.
Okay.
No. Shadi, we don't have any teacher in our marriage.
Moana mo yam ho.
Yes. Say me ya de na nya. Obe catch me. And I'm not feeling bad, say my phone me let me go down on my knees to beg.
Okay.
Yeah. Because me can't no car and then every boom. One must be a fool.
Yeah.
And one must be a wise. And the priority I mean say I don't regret happiness in my life. After all, Shadi, also is we have 4 kids. But and that say or put you on dressed. No design hair so obeka say be your
on woda
we call baby school baby walk around glory customer say oh Kokache said this my mother say no, that's not your mother, because we still have fun because we're younger. So what does it me who say me menu
oh beji oh beji
me menu
ankasa sha oh beji di for jineni edi for bia Germany
that me menu wa wisely you were di for bia me 224 on sheba
on hwehwe
was a friend or parody was a D4 but me sheba
okay
many of my ba many queen ba almost 16 years Obeko SS recently.
Okay.
By March no. So what does it? Nti no nyame waye bi. Nti why not say me cherish no. Enye is say man na ba wa ro ko fie kra wo fa sika de akoya de ama wonua they will allow.
Yeah.
Obia me family bia ba me chen kra na me si me niska. You talk to me that bema ne will be a farmer man from koya. So what I say? I think recently now me name nu aba Rama o say bra wo friends of me ba chiteki wa mama mechi me wa do say ekuma bra be chi fa ko why be chi why that type of person.
Okay.
Onyo bi omunu na nanim say we ware we so na ware na we munu nanim a ministry be to fama me a rough cut but ono at times when me preach up property make my mistake we want me sign you wie na no age mic no apologize you wie na age mic bi wa betima obeni self metia no so papa we dey too ash the person of free papa fancy and I say we can we fa we say miss be I coming now.
Okay.
Before some me fa phone
And friend panel.
and friendly panel why damage control that.
Okay.
And you know why too special to my life, not too expensive to my life.
So be intimate or
There be a lot of properties are me when you know. I will not boast myself. Me mention property be I know, but it's a key to all other properties. That's what I say. Okay, see me na stress. I think a month ago, 3 weeks ago. Or should be see I met many nati or a television. And I said, Daddy, and I'm say yes. Honestly, say, the person of Cassie Mitchell. Oh, Dean. 2. Onye hear me. 3. Oh, baby, obesele pen obepenny. Opinion so minister be hwe ba pa. Because wo dinti un pese e bia obenya scratches bia onten. Na emum na ya meka say se na meti ya akoso adome. Ni nsiamo. And I'm sure. You see, yawa we bring something which is it can a bit my challenge ya ba brother, then we correct it quick. So what I say? Let me just why is all kasa? I was no. Ohwemia. Men tisa first now who many people. Who say one, there's a very big platform. I know people over the world. Nipa so ni me over the world. Ah, ewiana pa nipa frame me whom my difference. A mom wuska. So I have a little program you also. After saying me co programs I me obi a me pe ska spreading. Say be a 50-50 nota. E be a me kita be 1,000. Let's spreading here. Because I me pedin. As I say nyama mi na me pe. To me. Any ska.
Okay.
Anything. Unya ska obenye team. Unya to me obenye team. But it's on how to control it. One how to control it a bit disgrace.
Okay.
Nti me spread ska or no so spread ska. Nti me wiasa na we no akota kan me tuka na ko. Kwensa nti me senior brother no say bra. Wonti ni aba program no. You say dey buy 100 na dey binya. O say buy ska spread ni na we etia kan mo ko. I saw a lady put a normal on me. Nti we do dankwa sekra ma we call the lady. And I'm say about your whiny and I'm already and I'm okay. I'm listening. And we and I'm okay. Open no. So mama I'm in a casa and I'm super big come last I. It's okay then. You be book no be fear. Lady that for you. What is here?
So what you need to
Debbie. I don't hide anything to her.
Okay, from her.
I don't also hide it here. Open me in casa minimum a call. 3 days later, I catch them. So what is it? And you know, you study your home.
Okay.
Any way home. And baby, I'm a do many Africa crow. Many Africa crow. My 40 crow.
Okay.
My chuma, a encher, I'm a ben on my bee.
50.
And I don't know, just a minute. Said, maybe
50.
What I say? And so, a kind of proper management.
Okay.
I always say, maybe entirely shame, maybe be okay before I'll go out.
Okay.
So, they put a simple dress right and anything. Was that the public figure? Try say, you put things across. Listen, tell my shower, my bread. The other fellow said, me, nigga, grab me, have another one thing. So, I say, being for public figures, another case.
Another problem.
So, I say, when you be a manager, we are. It's me and producer, me and advisor, me a manager, me or manager, or maybe I'm a cobia. And you besides a queen, queen dearly to my heart.
Okay.
So, what I say,
Matters.
and you will be able to be a free to welcome. Obi or baby bia until the software will be Jimmy.
Okay.
And I want you to a moment you saw you, I got you please that you if I want you don't entertain her or they saying. And there are lots of people when they come to my life they cannot steer.
I will call
Because of or you prayerful.
Okay.
Or you very, very prayerful. There's a revelation you all crowd no be who answer me. I think say 2-3 years ago when say just to talk Ghana. What is it? One of our new revelations that me say ya two net manager na shimokola shiha nti ko fasa asem na koto bont and I declare that prophecy and it happens. So what I say it is a man come home there me empty.
Okay. Ko university en kan papa ho a oye empty.
Yeah.
Ye nya so anka ko university e be ba studio how mai Nanka Ghana for
everything say ma me dey.
Nanka ya first wa we hye no. Nanso say na papa e ken university. Camera no nim say.
No, onya dey papa.
Omba o.
So what I say. Mami kasem so. Oba wa wo fo.
Okay.
Wa wo fo. Ono ko opportune in contest is ya no nyina ba this ono. Oni nyina ya class difference be.
Na in the class difference me obi abekita na class.
So what for?
Oh, obi abekita na class.
So what some guys say my for will you know say my for?
Oh, they be send obi e.
Me second born I think say Prince was 14 years.
Yeah.
What I say? Prince was form 3. So what I say? And the Gabby also was I think 7 years or 8 years, and the last born Ezekiel. That's what I say. And you know, there were three boys, 1 girl, and we still keep on. Say and then me say, oh me never hear it to me plans and person me more.
Hey.
Yeah, we plan.
No one more.
Yeah. Oh, me teach them is ekuya. Send you queen. Send you wachi. And when you mati, would you abra me mo? Ne ma me kura ha bitimi ka kire me se ma me manye mo ba no wo de wu koyi so beti ele na mfia o ba ma nye mo no ma from se ma aso ma nye mo ba no
ele nche ye be kwa adore
o da be seria e nya de be wu bi
sa
yeah the voice
o be bossa
the voice okay
o be bossa
e me boden
ya sam papa ya tam na ye be e tam na ye be
o da bi tse
oh
je bo he o da bi za me boden
awon bangwa de o be bossa and de couple
me boden den me bo
e kwan si o be ko
da bi nyima no nsi bo na tie for hwe a o ka kan ye because of group of people be a team program
o be ko kwan so
kwan ben
so kwan so
oh sir metro me se me wu bie mu no
ai o be po kwan so
oh na sha sha betafra che se aye wo kura no se mu kura mo ware kura mo kokwan so
kwan de aye se obi akọ de couple me parent no me
we pray ni senko ana afi wa commission ho no we still have fun. Okay. It's say fun. Over we are dancing. A dancing competition. I'm a manager.
I want to win.
Oh, it should be a minimum winning. It should be so only winning.
Okay.
If you are crowd, almost say me my yard. If you are a man that me form son, almost 7 hours. That didn't mean massa. We used to build the family without no scratch. Because Moa, he said me to me try say a big critic be uncle and we say, oh mamma, no papa no. We are free.
Okay.
So what does it? And they say a dancing competition with you. big
and then minister pa yesi ho
dancing competition na dancing competition na dey take in to so ya chi take ni sa na ya say wow baby ni bia no take back on why you drink one drink akana there so I say and then we are going to have a fun and how dancing competition means say and then the birthday the money na be support no on the e woda na money na support no on be support no totally a
and then the birthday
no ba na maso no cry mobo and no and then no if you are chakono Mumunti manja this oba we shim have birthday ni wa.
Aye. You be expect now the order na ka ho. Ebusiafo aha ana ye day time with the prophets. Ebesi university day birthday nyoma ne ba na papa so e de order na or the share attention for no or the account e be da papa asse papa yese and there wa ma ye hu de ntia and the be obekobia university ba kope. University ba. Ye be fa so e de awehye university. A happy, glorious birthday. Your bonfire say God answers your secret prayers and also enlarge you and also bless you and your family and household. Nina, abusia for one subscribe and now subscribe at your mommy. Oh, share so I know what's so I share. One also as ne done da a Queen Vasti Foundation. I na chade embre no aso wentim patro ye kaimo mona mo de nenam kwan so no fafa 054 830298505483029885 time with the prophet esne e attention tv attention tv we inspire you my money sha money e da papa keep